Hi, I'm Sandra McKechnie and I'm the team leader for the Careers and Mentoring team here at Apprenticeship Support Australia. We have a government contract to set up the training contracts for employers and apprentices for their apprenticeships and traineeships. And at the moment we've got about 15,000 apprentices that we look after. And when I say look after, I really do mean look after, because one of the services that we provide is actually mentoring support. And what we find is that from time to time, either an employer or even an apprentice will get in contact with us when there's something just not going right and they need a little bit of help to see things through to completion. So this week is actually Mental Health Week, and one of the key things this year is actually about young people and transitioning from school into the workplace. One of the things that we do at Apprenticeship Support Australia is really look at how can we help young people cross that gateway into employment.
So in my role as a mentor working with young apprentices, we do find that stress comes up as part of them going through that apprenticeship process. One of the main issues that comes up is that transition from the school environment to the work environment. It's quite a challenge and it's a big change for young people to go through, and they find that it can be really overwhelming. This change, you go from having a shorter school day with not as many responsibilities to having to take on the big responsibility of not only working but also going to a TAFE for a training provider and learning as well. So that in itself can cause a lot of stress for young people. As a mentor, there's lots of different ways that I can support young apprentices and trainees. I think the first step starts with a conversation around identifying what is the concerns and the issues, and then when we've got clarification of what is going on that the person is struggling with, then it's about looking at what options are available and then finding the right option for that person and their situation. So we never find that two cases are ever the same, even if it's a similar issue. Each individual person will have an individual perception on what they need, and we cater to that and support them in finding their own solutions to the issues at hand.